Hello, welcome student. Welcome to today's session that is related to our NCERT book, class 9th, chapter is quadrilateral and exercises 8.1. So now in this exercise, question number 1, 2, 3 we have discussed in the previous video. Now question number 4 is here. So question number 4 is, we have to show that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Means in a square diagonals are equal, okay, and they are bisect each other at 90. So just see what the things are given to us. What is given to us? That ABCD is a square. What we need to prove? Just see, this is the solution. What we need to prove? We need to prove that AC is equals to BD. Secondly, bisect each other at 90 means perpendicular bisected. So if this is a point, intersection point O, then O is equals to OC and BO is equals to OD. These all things we need to prove. So now see the proof. What is given to us? That ABCD is a square. Now see, if ABCD is a square, then opposite sides are parallel. So we know that AB is parallel to CD and BC it is parallel to AD. Okay. So now first of all what we will take, we need two triangles. We need two triangles to compare. So in these two triangles, few of the things we need. For angles, what we can take, that the alternate, if these two lines are parallel and this one is the transversal line, then we can prove that alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so the same thing we will take here. If we take AB and DC as parallel line and AC is transversal, then what are the alternate interior angles? These two are the alternate interior angle. And if we take AB and CD are the parallel line and BD are the transversal, then these two are the alternate interior angle which are equal. Okay, so that thing we will take. What we will take, just have a look here. Angle BAC, it is equals to angle DCA. And the reason is AB is parallel to DC and AC is transversal. AC क्या है? Transversal. So alternate interior angle are equal. So BAC, angle 1 we have named it as, and it is angle 2. So this is our first equation. Same we will take it as angle ABD is equals to angle CDB. Okay, ABD is equals to CDB. So reason is same, AB is parallel to DC and transversal, we have changed the transversal, that is BD, and BD is transversal. BD is transversal. Okay, so now angle 3 is equals to angle 4. This is our equation second. Okay, so now we will take the triangles. Which two triangles we will take? These two triangles we will take. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now see, in these two triangles, what the things we are having? We are having angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Okay. Then the next thing we are having, opposite side AB is equals to CD and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Okay. Angle 4, A इसमें 4 है, इसमें 3 है. इसका रीजन है प्रूव्ड अबव, ये हमने प्रूव किया है. रीजन क्या है? प्रूव्ड अबव. ये है इक्वल, इट इज गिवन टू अस दैट इट इज इक्वल, एंड दिस वन इज ऑल्सो प्रूव्ड अबव, इट इज ऑल्सो प्रूव्ड. ये भी पहले हमने प्रूव किया है. सो नाउ व्हाट द क्राइटेरिया इज, कौन से क्राइटेरिया से बोथ ट्रायंगल आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट? जस्ट सी ASA, criteria is ASA. So these two triangles are congruent with to AOB is equals to congruent to triangle COD. Okay, and the criteria is ASA, criteria is must and it should be the correct one. So by criteria ASA, both triangle are congruent. Now see, once both triangle are congruent, which two triangle? AOB and COD. So the remaining parts are congruent. Just see what are the remaining part. AOB, COD. So remaining part are, if you take side AO, then CO. If you take BO, then OD. Okay, so we can prove that the remaining parts, what are the remaining part? AO is equals to CO. BO is equals to OD. Okay, by CPCT. Remaining parts are equal. Okay, so what we have proved here? यहाँ पे हमने क्या prove कर दिया? That the diagonal of a square bisect each other. यहाँ पे क्या prove हो गया? Hence diagonal bisect each other. Hence diagonal bisect each other. अभी हमने क्या prove करा है? Diagonal एक दूसरे को bisect कर रहे हैं. What the remaining things we need to prove? Perpendicular भी है as well as diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal as well as they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so just see how we will prove the remaining of the things. Just see what we need to prove. Now we need to prove that diagonals are equal. Okay, so we will take the triangle in which diagonals are there. For example, we are taking triangle ADB and BCA. In these both diagonals are there. Okay, so what we will take here in triangle ADB and triangle BCA. Just see in these two triangles what we are having, ADB and BCA. In these two triangles we are having that AD is equals to BC. Okay, reason is opposite sides. Then we are having BAD is equals to ABC. BAD is equals to ABC. ये दोनों एंगल्स आपस में क्या है? इक्वल है, 90 है. बिकॉज साइड एंगल्स ऑफ स्क्वायर के सारे एंगल 90 डिग्री होते हैं. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट? एंगल BAD is equals to angle ABC. Reason is each 90 degree. And the third thing we are having this side as common, AB. ठीक है, ये साइड हमारी क्या है? कॉमन है. इट इज द कॉमन साइड. ये साइड दोनों में है, इट इज द कॉमन साइड. सो क्या हो जाएगा आपका? ट्राइंगल ADB इट इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल BCA. और क्राइटेरिया, जस्ट सी द क्राइटेरिया. AD is equals to BC, this AB is common and these two, यानी SAS. Criteria is SAS. Okay, so once both triangle are congruent, then the remaining sides are equal. What are the remaining sides? The diagonals. Okay, what are the remaining side? BD is equals to AC, the diagonals. What are the remaining side? Remaining side are the diagonals. So BD is equals to AB. So what we have proved here? That diagonals are equal. Okay, this is by CPCT. And what we have proved? That diagonals are equal. Now see, two things we have proved, that they bisect each other and they are equal. Now what we need to prove? That diagonal bisect each other at 90. Third thing what we need to prove, that the diagonal bisect each other at 90. मीन्स ये जो एंगल बन रहा है यहाँ पे, ये एंगल हम क्या प्रूव कर दें? 90. ओके, सो ये एंगल को 90 प्रूव करने के लिए वी विल टेक एडजेसेंट ट्राइंगल. हम क्या लेंगे? एडजेसेंट ट्राइंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट एडजेसेंट ट्राइंगल वी आर टेकिंग हियर? जस्ट सी AOB and AOD. Now see in these two triangles we have proved these two things are equal. This one is the common one, and because it is a square, then all sides are equal. So by triple S, both triangle are congruent. Just see how we will prove it. In triangle what triangle we are taking? In triangle AOB and triangle AOD. This question is quite lengthy, but it is not the tough, it is the easiest one. Just see the points what we need to prove step by step. So AOB and AOD, what we are having? OB is equals to OD. Okay, we have proved above, हमने prove किया है. Second thing we are having, AO is equals to AO, it is common in both. And the third thing we are having, AB is equals to AD, sides of square. Sides of square, हमें पता है square के सारे sides क्या होते हैं? Equal. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD, and the reason is SSS. Okay, the reason is SSS. So by this criteria, both triangles are congruent. If both triangles are congruent, then the remaining parts are equal. What are the remaining parts? These two angles. What are the remaining part? These two angles. So just see, angle AOB is equals to angle AOD by CPCP. Okay. Now once we have proved that both angles are equal, then we can easily prove that the proved angle is 90. Okay, ये तो हमने prove कर दिया कि दोनों equal है. Now what we will prove? That angle is 90. If once we have proved that the angle is 90, then what we can easily prove? That the diagonal bisect each other. Okay. Now see, these two angles are equal, means these two angles are equal. Now have a look. This BD is a line. Okay, and sum of these two linear angle, they are forming the linear angle. They are the straight angle, angles on a straight line. So their sum is 180 degree. What you can write? That angle AOB plus angle AOD is equals to 180 degree. You can write linear pair, you can write angles on a straight line. Okay. So now what we know? That these two angles are equal. Then interchange it. Angle AOB plus angle AOB is 180. So 2 angle AOB is 180. So angle AOB is 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. Okay. So this angle AOB, what we have proved? That it is 90. So angle AOB is also equals to angle AOD, that is 90. So what we have concluded from here? That this AO is perpendicular to BD, or you can say that AC is perpendicular to BD. So what we have proved? All the four things we have proved. That diagonals are perpendicular, diagonals are equal, and as well as they bisect each other. Okay, so we have concluded from all these that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at 90. Okay, in the next video we will discuss our next question. Thank you.